Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let us see how to make tamarind rice or puliyam sadam as we call in Tamil. This is a very delicious preparation made on many festive occasions. So let's see how to make tamarind rice. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. To make this tamarind rice, we have taken 3/4 cup tamarind, 1 tablespoon jaggery or good, half teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, 1 tablespoon red chili powder or lal mirch, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 cup sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 2 tablespoon chana dal or split Bengal gram, 4 red chilies, half tablespoon asafoetida powder or hing, 1 tablespoon curry leaves or kadi patta, and we have cooked 1 cup raw rice, 2 tablespoon urad dal and 3 tablespoon white sesame seeds or safed til. Now heat a pan, add in white sesame seeds or safed til and urad dal or split black gram. Now let us roast both these on a very low flame until they slightly change color. What I am teaching you today is a shortcut puliyam sadam or tamarind rice. I will be teaching the traditional method later on. Now we are done with this. We have roasted it and powdered. Now let us keep this aside and heat sesame seed oil in a pan and add in peanut. Stir for about 20 seconds and then add in the chana dal. Stir again for around 15 seconds. Now let us add in the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add methi seeds or fenugreek seeds along with some red chilies. Remember, methi seeds or fenugreek seeds go very well with tamarind. Now let us add in some hing powder or asafoetida powder, turmeric powder or haldi powder, some curry leaves or kadi patta, red chili powder or lal mirch, and salt to taste, but not the entire salt, a little bit of salt. And now the tamarind extract. We extracted the tamarind after soaking the tamarind in warm water. We have taken the dark variety, as I said. This tamarind is called Valampuli in Kerala, but you can take any tamarind that you want. Now, after 5 minutes of boiling, we have added in coriander powder or dhania powder. Mix it well and give it a good stir. The mixture should become halwa-like in consistency, but keep boiling on a low flame. If you boil on a high flame, the mixture will get cooked, but you will not get the awesome aroma of the boiled tamarind. Now let us add in jaggery after 10 minutes of boiling. A little jaggery or good, when it is added to this tamarind mixture, balances the taste and enhances it. Now it is 20 minutes since the mixture is boiling and we are adding the ground sesame seed and peanut powder. We have reserved a little bit of it. 3/4 of it has been added and we have reserved 1/4 of it. Now let this simmer for 8 to 10 minutes more, and in the meanwhile we have to keep stirring. The flame is still low. You can see the mixture has begun to thicken. Wow, see, we have attained the halwa-like consistency. This is how we wanted the mixture to be. This is just perfect. So now we have switched off the flame. Now we can add this to rice. This mixture by itself is called pulikachal in Tamil. When mixed with rice also, it stays good for at least 2 days. We carry it while traveling. It tastes very good. And this mixture by itself will stay well outside also for at least 3 days and in the refrigerator for more days. This pulikachil smells so good, and now we are going to add it to some rice. But before that, let us serve it and show you. Look at the color and the texture of the pulikachil. As I said, this is not exactly the traditional way of making the pulikachil, but this is no less. I have found this to be an easier method. Do try this out. I will be showing the traditional method also very soon in our channel. Add a little bit of sesame seed oil again. Now this is the mixture that we had reserved. Our cooked rice is ready. Don't cook the rice until it turns mushy. We cooked 1 cup of rice adding just 2 cups of water. Some people even cook the rice adding in turmeric powder even while it is cooking, so that the color of the puliyam sadam becomes very good. Now we have added in the pulikachil or the tamarind paste. Add some more sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil gives an awesome aroma and flavor. I would not recommend any other oil for this. Mix it well. And now let us add in the reserved powder, the powder that we had reserved from the ground powder. This is the way they do even in the Kovil or temple puliyam sadam. They add some powder while mixing the rice. Our awesome puliyam sadam or tamarind rice is ready. Let us serve it in a plate and show you. Doesn't it look perfect? It tastes so good. You can have it as is or with papad or raita, or you can have it with any of the stew or kuttu that we have shown in our channel. So do try this out. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye friends. See you soon with another video.